Congratulations to the class of 2021. I am Dr. Sherry-Ann Butterfield, Executive Vice Chancellor at Rutgers University-Newark. I know that we all wish we were celebrating you in person, but until we can, please let me express my profound appreciation for your many achievements and accomplishments. We are in the midst of some of the most challenging times that the nation and the world has ever faced. Yet, here you are, graduating with a degree in African American and African Studies. Your success is indicative of your resilience, determination, and commitment to your future and to the world before you. Given the times that we currently find ourselves in, where we still have to convince people that Black lives matter, when we are still in a pandemic and losing loved ones, your dedication to a socially just future is incredibly serious and critically important now more than ever. And as you look to your future, please don't forget about your past. And remember and celebrate those who helped you get here. Family, friends, and the ancestors. Many of those who made the ultimate sacrifice so that we could live life more abundantly. You have endured unprecedented circumstances and met the challenges with fortitude and with grace. In short, you all are simply amazing. Congratulations again, graduates. I and we in the Department of African American and African Studies at Rutgers University-Newark salute you.
You have done an amazing job, and I and so many other people in the department are proud of you and looking forward to the amazing things you achieve in the future.
Congratulations, class of 2021.
Congratulations to the graduating class of 2021. I know this has been a difficult time to finish up your undergraduate education here at Rutgers, but you did it. So let's take a moment to celebrate you and all that you've accomplished, and we are so very, very proud of you.
Congratulations. I know it's not what you expected, but there is such a great future ahead of you in spite of what's going on right now. Soon you'll be able to celebrate, but now just revel in this wonderful accomplishment. Congratulations.
To the class of 2021, I want to offer a hearty congratulations. During normal circumstances, you have come to a point in your life of major significance when you're really prepared to take off. And the fact that you have come to this milestone under these conditions, in the pandemic and through so much turmoil and upheaval that we've experienced over the past couple of years is really remarkable. You should be very proud of yourself and confident about what you can do in your life going forward. So you did it. I'm very excited for you and everything that promises in your life to come. Congratulations.
To the African American and African Studies class of 2021, congratulations. You did it despite a year of racial reckoning not seen in the past several decades. You did it despite a global pandemic, which none of us alive has ever witnessed or experienced. You did it despite learning through a computer, using technology. You did it despite the personal challenges that you have had to overcome, and we have all had to overcome, some more than others, but it was certainly a learning process. And with this degree in particular in African American and African Studies, it says a lot to the world. One, it says that you take the learning of African people, African descended people in diaspora very seriously. It shows your commitment to those groups of people and their allies. And it also shows that you will go forward and make wonderful contributions to these communities, to the society, to the United States, and to the world. And you have demonstrated your commitment to making the United States uphold its promises to its citizens to be fair and to allow for life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. So congratulations. This is particularly momentous given the times that we are currently navigating, and I just want to say congratulations to each and every one of you. Job well done. Bravo and brava.
Congratulations, class of 2021. You've worked diligently to attain all of your accomplishments, and I am extremely proud of you all. I wish you a lifetime of blessings, and may all of your professional dreams come true. Congratulations.
Wishing the class of 2021 the best future possible, and congratulations on all your hard work.
Congratulations to the class of 2021. Wishing you all the best.
I'm confident that you, with your passions, your experiences, and with all the knowledge you've gained from our really incredible faculty over the past 2-4 years, however long you've been here, with all of that, you're ready to go out there and rebuild the world, make it a better place. Thank you for being here. We're excited for you. We're proud of you. And we'll miss you. Take care.
Congratulations, class of 2021. I'm really sorry that we can't gather together to celebrate you, but I hope you all feel really proud of what you've accomplished.
Congratulations, class of 2021. It's been a great joy and honor working with you, especially over this past difficult year. So wherever your path takes you now, all my best wishes for continued success. Best of luck.
Class of 2021, my warmest congratulations. You did it despite all of these challenges, but it's no surprise that you would, because you are resilient and brilliant, and we are so very proud of you. Congratulations again, and all the best with whatever you choose to do next. Keep in touch.
I am so incredibly proud of you. You guys are absolutely amazing. You are overcoming incredible odds, and you're doing it with dedication and with creativity and seriousness, and it's just absolutely fantastic. Now, I know that as you complete this degree and you go out into the world, you are going to hear a lot about the uncertainty of the time. But I just want to remind you that every time is uncertain, and that none of us ever knows how things are going to turn out. And so with that in mind, I hope that you guys are going to go out there with inspiration from all that you've taken from us here, and that you're going to inspire other people with your gifts and your talents and your creativity. Enjoy this moment, celebrate it, and do what makes the world better, because you are exactly what we need right now. Congratulations!